In an effort to foster unity and a shared African vision on regional issues, Algeria has taken a leading role by hosting in the capital Algiers the African Regional Meeting on intellectual property, genetic resources, and traditional knowledge associated with genetic resources. This unprecedented gathering of African experts and representatives was held with a determination to forge a unified African position on the protection of genetic resources and traditional knowledge ahead of the upcoming diplomatic conference of the World Intellectual Property Organization, set to be held in India in 2024.
We seek to have a balanced role in the negotiations in order to protect the African countries' genetic resources. We aim to find a point of balance and justice in dividing the profits that Western institutions, companies, and countries reap when exploiting genetic resources. Algeria's hosting this event today is important for this path.
The reason why we are here as the African group, as a region, is to make sure that we galvanize our position in preparation for the diplomatic conference that is scheduled to take place in the first quarter of 2024.
The atmosphere at the regional meeting is one of unanimous agreements. Experts and representatives from over 30 African countries are recognizing the significance of this opportunity, generously provided by Algeria. The focus is on establishing a robust legal framework that safeguards and preserves the continent's valuable genetic resources.
Oh, indeed, this is a great meeting, and coming with all the different African countries here. We usually meet in Geneva every year, quarterly meetings 4 times a year. Personally, I've been there from 2011, and we have an Africa group position. And it is African countries speaking about intellectual property, genetic resources, traditional knowledge, and traditional cultural expressions in one voice.
African experts attending the meeting emphasized the importance of this coordination effort in equipping African countries for the forthcoming diplomatic conference in 2024. The goal is to present a well-studied and unified legal framework, empowering Africa to play a pivotal role in the final negotiations on genetic resources and the rights of the nations involved.